Hi, this is Tom Nunemaker with Aeromir Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Goldilocks from a previous version. So there are instructions. So after you log in on the customer dashboard on the downloads page, there's instructions down at the bottom. So if it's a first time installation or if you're upgrading. So today we're going to talk about how to upgrade. There's an extra step or two. So if you just read this, you close all charts, including the strategy. Go to Tools, remove NinjaScript Assembly, find and select any previous version, click Remove, completely exit, restart NinjaTrader, import the strategy, restart NinjaTrader after the import. Okay, so let's do all those things. So let's close all charts. All right, go to Tools, remove NinjaScript Assembly. Usually takes a few seconds for it to pop up. It's got to look through the whole NinjaTrader file system and look for things that it can remove. Okay, there it is. So let's remove Goldilocks. That's the new version. So we'll click on that and go remove. Okay, it was successfully removed. So let's close this. And now we need to exit and restart NinjaTrader. So I'm going to restart it. I'm going to pause the recording for a second. Okay, NinjaTrader is restarting now. Looks like it's restarted. Don't have any charts because I closed them all, remember? So we do need to download the latest version. So it's 2.2.0. Let's download that. And I'm working on a Quant VPS server, by the way. So if you sign up with Quant and use the Aeromir promo code and set up your VPS, they'll actually set it up like this. So you won't have to do any of this setup stuff. All right, so let's look at the downloads. There it is, 2.2. So we don't do anything with it here. We just go to Tools, Import NinjaScript Addon. And I have the download set up to go to the data folder. There it is. Let's import it. Okay, successfully imported. So let's go start a new chart. We'll go gold. And you can pin this, by the way. MGC 12. We want a 3-minute. And let's go 20 or 30 days. 30 is fine. And I usually leave this text and markers on. And that's the default chart. So now if we go to the strategy, and you can go Control S. Let's load it. Now it's called Goldilocks version 2.2.0. Put in your email. I'll just use billing at Aeromir. I think that's set up for this. And these are all the defaults. So 2 contracts. I have 1500 profit and loss set for the day. Stop loss 198. That's the same whether or not you use ATR or fixed ticks. So it depends on which one you're using. It's going to default to ATR, 7 period and 1.5. You can leave that off. And now we can't enable it because we don't have data. So I'm just going to hit OK. Let's see if we can connect to something. End of day is fine. Okay, now we're connected, so let's go back to strategies. And now we can enable it. And I see the 2 buttons up here. You can turn these on and off. This will enable longs and shorts. And you can see here's a short 3-minute chart. So it's short at the 3406. All right, so that's basically how we set it up. And I don't know what day this is. This is old data. So anyway, that's how you upgrade a Goldilocks from a previous version to the latest version. Thanks a lot.